one thing I realize now, and I want you to know that as well, is that it's very okay to make a mistake. It's very, very okay to make a mistake. Just start. Learn from your mistake because you are not going to be perfect from the start, right? Being able to create a nice professional video looking content on your smartphone right now is a lot more easier than you think. All you need is that smartphone that you have right now. Watch this video to the end, get a few tips and app, practice it, and you are good to go. With all that, you can create a wonderful professional looking video content on your smartphone. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step that will guide you in creating a professional quality video content on your smartphone. So welcome back, guys. My name is Prince Onya. So if today is your first time coming across our channel, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, also turn on your bell notification that anytime we post a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you. So before we get started, this video is to guide you on how you can get a quality video content on your smartphone. So it doesn't matter the device phone you are currently using right now. It doesn't matter, and it doesn't matter if you are using your front camera or the back camera to film. So because this particular one that you are watching right now, I'm using my front camera to film it. So it doesn't matter whether you are using the front or the back camera you are using. So just watch this video to the end. You will get everything you need to be able to create a wonderful professional video looking content. To get started, you want to make sure that you will clean your lens, the lens of your camera phone, whether the front or the back, whichever one you are using. You have to clean it properly with a clean cloth or a clean pieces of rag, anything that you want to use it to clean it, but make sure it's clean so to enable the lens to be clear enough to make your video. And to avoid wobbling or shaking of video, you need a tripod or anything that can hold your camera in one place to enable it not to lose balance or be shaking. So to when you are editing, your video will be perfect and it will come out the way you want it. So you need something that can hold it. Probably if you have money, you can get a tripod, and if you don't have, you can use something to tie your video in a place so that it will be in a place that you cannot be shaking it. So before we go further, if your camera is not as quality like my own, so I will advise you to get a open camera app so that you can use to enhance your video quality. And this is what I'm using in shooting this particular video. I'm using open camera app to shoot this particular video, and I will try as much as possible to also make a video on how to set it up properly if it's not giving you what you want. And this is also enough reason you should subscribe to this channel, because whenever we post a new video, you will get notified so that you will learn one or two things there. So I will try as much as possible to make video on how to set it up if it's not giving you what you want. So another thing to put into consideration is the audio quality. And for you to get a good and nice audio quality, you need a mic. So that is why I say you must get a mic so that it will enhance your audio quality in your video. So right now I'm using this particular one, this wireless mic. I will advise you to get one for yourself, or you can get a lapel mic. Yeah, it's not that expensive. I've forgotten how much I got this one. And the good part of this open camera is that when I got this particular wireless microphone, it doesn't work directly on my phone because of the kind of phone that I'm using. It doesn't work on the phone. So I was told to get the open camera app so that I will connect it with the mic. So as soon as I got it, I learned how to connect it with the open camera app. So it works, and that is what I'm using right now. You can see the one I'm using on my chest. You can see it here. So this is another thing you have to put into consideration if you want to get a good quality, nice video. So you need to consider your audio also. So lighting is another thing to put into consideration when you want to make a good quality video. You have to get light, you have to get ring lights or softbox, any light that you can afford at that particular time. You have to get it to enhance your video, to make your video clear, to enable people to like and watch your video. So But if you don't have money at that particular time, if you don't have money to, you cannot, if you cannot afford it at that particular time, you can use um, natural sunlight. You can face your window, you can sit close to your window and face your window and get the sun from the natural sunlight and shoot your video. Like this particular video you are watching now, I'm using the sunlight to shoot my video. I don't have any particular light with me. I'm just using the facing up direct to my window and shooting my video. So you can also do that as well and to shoot your video so you don't have to get any light. But if if you can afford any light, you can get one for yourself. So to enable you shoot maybe at night or a dark place. So this is all the setup that you need to start creating amazing content on your smartphone. One thing I realize now, and I want you to know that as well, is that it's very okay to make a mistake. It's very, very okay to make a mistake. Just start. Learn from your mistake because you are not going to be perfect from the start, right? So if you are still watching to this moment, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Also like this video. Put your thoughts on the comment section so that I will answer your question and know what you think about this video. So the last thing I want to talk about this video is scripting. How you can script your video before you shoot it. Because most time if you do not script your video, you make mistake. You go out of point, you go out of line, you do so many things that you are not supposed to do. And after maybe when you are watching the video, you realize that you have gone far or you have gone beyond where you're not supposed to be. So I want you to script your video first. It doesn't matter if you know how to write or not, because if you write anything, you are the one reading it. You can go it one after the other. You can go it line by line, and you did your video. The video will come out. Like this video now, I'm going line by line, and you can see the way it come out. So you wouldn't know if the person is doing this video one line by one line. So just script your video before you do the video. Is very important, and to guide you in your video, to make your video come out perfect, you'll be at a point. So this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to put your thoughts on the comment section. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much and God bless.